So, Intelligent Television is a company based in New York that I started to produce documentaries and other nonfiction for public media and especially for the web. And we recently launched the Intelligent Channel with Google YouTube's investment, which is a YouTube channel that features a lot of nonfiction, innovative, I think, programming on the web. And a good part of what we do is try to mobilize archives to cooperate with us, collaborate in cases, to put up archival content with kind of magnetic introductions from archivists and celebrities and what have you. But if you ask what intelligent television, could be, which is a question that I ask myself quite often, I think that it could be a production company that collaborates not only with Google, YouTube, but other technology companies in making audiovisual, educational video that is self-aware, intelligent, smart, like a smart bomb or a smart car. Sometimes these things can drive themselves or direct themselves, and there is this concept of smart TV, which can be sort of customized to your viewing preference. And I think the big play really is, and it's exciting already to be taking a few early steps in this direction, to produce audiovisual material in such a way that if you want to watch it, it serves up something that you're interested in watching. And if your colleagues want to watch it, it serves up something different here and something different there. Always educational, most likely advertiser supported, but customized for your educational preferences. I think that there's a real opportunity there to create more material for viewers and viewers who seek kind of, could we call it enlightenment or self-improvement or education in some fashion or another on the web.
So in your documentaries you're using archive footage as well?
Yes, we use a lot of archive.
Where do you get it?
What I like to see us do at Intelligent Television is partner with cultural and educational institutions. And I try and insist, even though I'm going to grow very old doing it, and I'm going to bang my head into the wall numerous times. There are already significant holes at my home in New York in the walls where I hit my head repeatedly in frustration. But I try to partner with cultural and educational institutions to insist that they become co-producers of our content. There are, as I've learned now, a million reasons not to partner with cultural and educational institutions. But if you can get around all of that, and if you can convince institutions that it's in their self-interest to produce content that gets seen, used, taught with by a lot of people, then I think you score a victory, And so I've just started, for example, on Monday, what day is today? Monday. So I started 1 week ago. It's not yet Monday in New York, or maybe it is, but 1 week ago, working at Columbia University. Columbia has the Center for New Media Teaching and Learning, which is the most exciting kind of a center for digital learning that I know. There's about 40 people who work there full-time, and they're producers, technologists, programmers, coders, you name it. And I think that there might be opportunities to mobilize all that knowledge, know-how, and expertise, and excitement and passion, like we were talking about in the keynote, to create educational video that that can meet some of these criteria that we're just talking about now. Like that can be in effect customized for you if you're interested in, for example, Russian literature. Columbia happens to have one of the great Russian literature departments in the world. Not as good as Cornell's maybe, where I went to school, but I also went to school at Columbia, so it's okay. Columbia has the Harriman Institute, which is for the study of Russia and countries surrounding it. There are no doubt opportunities to create documentary programming about contemporary Russia, historical Russia, that could draw on some of the knowledge at the university, but also some of the great educational technology work that goes on in the humanities. And that, I should say, and I'll stop, is a kind of underexplored territory. A lot of people work in technology and the sciences, etc., but there are incredible things happening, as Johann Uman at Bildungsgeleit and others here, kind of are experts in the video realm.